What is this thing freaking called? Hi, and welcome to 24 Wheelers. Today, we're looking at the 4x4 Colorado Quickdown tire inflation and deflation system. Now, when you're out on the trail and you need to deflate and you want to do it quickly, hopefully, I've not tested it out yet, but hopefully this is a simple and quick and easy way to both deflate and inflate all four tires. I just got this kit, haven't even taken it out of the bag yet or tested it or checked it out at all. So today we're going to check it out together. Hope you'll join me. So the first step in actually getting this bad boy set up is, taking it out of the package. So this system is all complete. It's all put together. It's in this handy dandy little bag. And it's got all the connectors. It's got these quick release connectors that attach obviously to all four of your tires. And then it has the tire gauge as well. So this does come with a battery. And it's got a battery protector in there, so gratefully it is not just sitting here in my garage collecting dust and draining the battery. We're going to pull that out, and then I bet we can power it on. It's got a full battery. All right, let's go ahead and snip off these zip ties, and we'll get it hooked up to the compressor and to the tires and see how it works. All right, so this next part is fairly self-explanatory. You have these longer hose that have these shorter hose extensions. So the shorter hose comes up to the tire on the side where your actual gauge is, and then the longer portion just simply stretches around both front and back to connect to the tires on the opposite side. So I have mine set up on the driver's side, so those stretch over to the passenger side. So this is reading 38.7. You got this little collar right here, and when you move the collar down, it begins to deflate, and then goes back to your reading.
Once you get all four hoses connected to the tires, the gauge will essentially read an average of the four. I checked each tire using my analog Harley-Davidson pressure gauge, and all my tires read around 40 to 42 psi, whereas with the digital Quickdown gauge, I was getting about 38. This doesn't really bother me. I don't expect a digital gauge to be super exact, but it does just tell me that while using this gauge, my real pressure will be about 3 to 4 psi higher than what it's actually reading. I timed both the deflation and the inflation using the dive bezel on my Tudor Black Bay 58, which may not be the most precise way to time this sort of thing, but hey, I'm a bit of a watch nerd, and I was really just looking for a rough estimate of how long this process would take anyway. So the Quickdown deflated all four tires to 17 psi in just over 3 minutes, and I timed the inflation at around 4 minutes.
All in all, pretty happy with the 4x4 Colorado Quickdown tire inflation and deflation system. If you want to check it out, I will leave a link to their website in the description box below. Hey, if you liked this video and found it helpful, please give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And remember, whether on the trail or on the road, I'll see you out there.